And today we are going to Boy Scouts of the Philippines Jamboree at Los Banos, Laguna on Mount Makiling. And we have our van dog, Cutie. She's very excited to have this finally be back on the road.
Yeah.
So we haven't been doing the van life for some time because of life circumstances, you know. We have been busy setting up 2 new businesses in Tagaytay. And we do miss this, so we grabbed the opportunity to finally go on a camping trip.
Yeah.
Today, and Cutie's very excited, of course. Where are we going now at that time?
We're going into the forest.
Yes. So those of you
Mount
who know
Makiling.
Mount Makiling in Los Banos, Laguna. This is actually where I grew up. The slopes of Mount Makiling in a forested area, much like the one that we are going to right now.
I believe it's a national reserve or something.
Yeah, Makiling Forest National Reserve, yes. All right, touchdown at Boy Scouts of the Philippines. So we are here at the arena, Grand Arena area, and we're waiting for the guard to let us in.
Alright, it's starting to get a little dark here, but we're going to set up camp. We had to hunt down security for the second time. The first time was to open the gate. The second time was to get electricity and water. Hopefully water. Hopefully electricity.
Or else it's still going to be our first completely raw camping.
Yeah, which wouldn't be bad.
Oh, and there's a lot.
Cutie loves it here.
And there's grasshoppers.
Lots of grasshoppers. Miriam loves the grasshoppers.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go show them the lake.
There's a little view of Laguna Lake. 30 years ago, this area used to have a wider view of the Pansol area, but since then, the natural vegetation have grown, obstructing the view.
Yeah.
Miriam's becoming a good videographer. And it's a pretty special place. We have the place all to ourselves. As you can imagine, if you were with a group of people, you know, car camping or van lifers or even overlanders, I want to tell you, it's kind of like the hidden secret because it's only 30 pesos per head per night. No vehicle entrance fee, no nothing. And if you're going and traveling with a group or even by yourselves, like we're stopping off,
Yeah.
it's a beautiful place to stop off and camp for the night.
Yeah.
And you get that view of the lake. You're up there, you're up almost on the apex of Mount Makiling here. So that's pretty cool. We're going to explore and show you more tomorrow, but it's a perfect spot to just like camp for the night as you're traveling, as you're trying to get to another destination and enjoying this destination and not spending a fortune on it. It's only 30 pesos each. So we paid 120. The dog was free.
Yeah.
No, we paid 90. It would have been 120 if the dog had to pay 30. So yeah, here we are. You know, it's getting late now. It's not that late, but it's getting dark. So we got the electricity straightened out. You can't. So let's do this, Miriam. We're gonna set up. All right, and then Miriam's gonna do a Miriam cam later. We're done. Now it's just us and the crickets.
I think it's good. Of course it looks good.
Are you talking about the campsite or our setup?
Both.
Yeah.
Of course
I
both.
agree.
Hi.
Hi.
Here's our camp for the night. What do you think?
Perfect.
30 pesos per head.
Per head. Can you imagine?
And we're halfway up a mountain. And look.
Nakakarating ng 30 pesos mo.
Look at that porch. I don't think we're gonna get wet tonight if it starts raining. Okay.
And a biting.
Cutie's restless. We don't know why.
Oh.
Okay, we're gonna let her free.
Is it right?
Oh. Wow. What's the leash? What is it?
Aw, she just wants to cuddle.
Oh, cutie girl.
Aw.
Did you miss us that much? I thought you wanted to run around. You don't want to run around. You just want to be pet.
Yeah.
You just want to love it.
She
Look at this girl.
hug. Yeah.
Look at that girl, huh?
Yeah, most of the time we're staying in Tagaytay now, where we just opened a condo for rent, a rental condo, and unfortunately, pets aren't allowed. So she stays behind at Lolo and Lola's house. So she missed us, right, cutie?
Aw.
Oh.
We're back on adventure. This is how she started her puppy life with us.
Yes.
We took her from Real Quezon to Laguna to Los Banos. And that was your first adventure as a van dog. Oh, okay, you can calm down now, huh? You got lots of loving. You can calm down. All right. What do you think of the place, Miriam?
Maganda!
Yeah! All right, dinner time.
All right. So we cheated a little bit this evening because we knew we didn't have time to set up the LPG and cook dinner. So we have these shawarma rice bowls.
And Miriam has a waffle with banana.
Strawberry banana.
Strawberry banana, wow. And this is Miriam's artwork. Perfect for camping, perfect for outings, you know, conferences, stuff like that.
And we made that.
We make these. So if anybody's interested, you can do your own personal design.
And if you have your own car camping or van life photo that you want to immortalize on something like this, or it could be a mug, or it could be a shirt, just give us a comment in this video and we'll give you a big discount.
Oh my goodness, dude. That's all you got? All right.
We're on a diet.
Mabuhay.
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 Okay, kain na tayo.
Kain na tayo.
Not you.
Kami.
Not for aso.
And because we're big people, nabitin kami sa buy one take one na shawarma rice. So nagdagdag pa kami ng fresh vegetable salad.
Looks scrumptious. Nice salad, man.
Oh, wait.
Good stuff. All right, we did it. We got Miriam all set up. That's always a feat after traveling all day, although we only traveled 5 minutes today. 5 minutes from home. But this is a beautiful place to roam. Anyway, I think we're all ready to sleep early. What do you think, ladies?
Oh, yeah. It's a little too dark to film, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Magandang gabi!
This place holds a lot of memories for me. All throughout my high school and college days, I've spent weekends here attending youth camps and other assemblies, sleeping either in tents or in dormitory lodgings that the PSP offers. Even after 30 years, the place has not changed much.
Hi, Miriam. Did you have a good sleep? Can I see your shirt? I'm attending an exclusive star-studded event for sale. If you want a shirt like this, just comment below and it will give you a discount. What do you like most about this place, Miriam?
Well, it's nature. Almost all nature.
Well, as they say, all good things must come to an end, right, Bing?
Uh-huh.
So, it's been a lazy morning here. But it's about 11 a.m. now. We should be able to get to our next site, which is called Catmoon.
Catmoon Campsite in Cavite, Laguna.
So it's right on the northern part, but like on the peninsula. So it should be really beautiful with the lake surrounding it. So I'm going to start packing up Miriam's bed first and we'll get going. All right. right, as they say, leave the place as you found it.
Yes.
Pick up all our trash, fold all our stuff in, we're ready to go.
All right.
Location.
Yeah, see you soon. Magkatmon Campsite in Cavite, Laguna.
Yeah, beautiful place.
Sending love
From Mount Makiling.
Woo!